Tanto ricordiamo che al termine dei 400 stile libero maschili ci saranno le premiazioni, quindi Giorgia Temponi, Vittoria Grotto, Lucrezia Tosin sono pregate di tenersi a disposizione in zona premiazioni al termine dell'ultima prova, dell'ultima serie dei 400 stile libero maschili. Ci saranno naturalmente le premiazioni 400 stile libero maschili, femminili e 400 stile libero maschili. Al nostro Steven DJ la linea per un po' di musica.
Champagne bucket still got 2 tears in it, and I put that on my tattoo of Jimi Hendrix. Get the press like the outfit all in it, cause the press tell it all. Get a meal ticket, clean next, get the call, just a little visit. Sacrifice just to make it here still vivid. Reality see when you're blessed, just kill critics. Bugatti never been them rich, just start fearing. Look at me staring, got the block staring, got a good feeling. That's the bike carrying, tell it's Billie Jean, I'm on another planet. Thank class, big Chuck and Lee Prince parents. By my mama chandeliers, I'm in tears, damn it. 30 years you'd have thought these emotions vanish. Try to live, trying to figure how your sister vanished. No cheers, I know you would've panicked.
Open up your heart, what do you feel? Open up your heart, what do you feel? Is it real? Yeah. The Big Bang may be a million years away, oh, but I can't think of a better time to say, well, inside you find a deeper love, the kind that only comes from high above. If you ever meet your inner child, don't cry, no, no. Tell them everything is gonna be alright.
E ci chiama il nostro DJ Steven, everybody dance now, tutti a ballare ora! Leonardo Ongaro si prende la vetta della classifica provvisoria 4:15:60 per lui che vince la quarta serie davanti a Rizzato Guidolin. Al via la terza serie maschile 400 stile libero.